What is up, guys? It is called Short, and today we are going to be playing some more Roblox. Sorry, I've been around a while. We're gonna do two things today. Actually, we're gonna play some Roblox, and we are going to find out who the giveaway winner is. So I know you guys have been hyped up for the giveaway. You guys have been helping me out a lot. I've gotten a lot of likes on it. I really like that. Really appreciate it. If you guys enjoy the video, share this channel with another person, please. I would really appreciate it. Um, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're literally doing so well. I've gotten over like 100 subs in the past like a couple weeks, and I really like it. Thank you guys so much for. I'm already at 641. I was at like 632 literally yesterday. I really like the support. So today what we're gonna be doing is actually announcing the giveaway winner. So just to make this fair, I'm gonna do it like I always do. Uh, Comment generator. Let's see this one. Control C. We are going to be finding out who is the winner for the giveaway. Non-biased. I think I got some negative feedback last time because you guys didn't like the way I chose the giveaway last time. So 100% legit. Okay, let's see if it's working. Hopefully this is working. Really liked it a lot. Also, new pickup. Got the brand new Yeezy slides. I wore these to school today. I like them a lot. I might do a review on these pretty soon. I got some other shoes too. I'm also coming up with a sneaker video. It shouldn't take too long. Oh, here we go. Alright, so filter duplicate users, filter comments based on statistic tests. Get YouTube comments. Alright. Oh my god. Jesus, these ads. Amount of unique comments 73. That is a lot. Okay, start. Alright. So this is the new winner. Let me. Oh crap! Oh, looks like it's starting, and it's full. 1 second, guys. Um, that looks like that was a good winner. I'm actually gonna get out of this and go back here. So whoever this is, ELINAEL. Just put in your username. I know it says right there, but just comment again. Congratulations on winning the Godly Spider. But don't worry, guys. I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. I'm going to be giving away another Godly, which is why we are gonna play Murder Mystery 2 right now. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway, another giveaway. But first, looks like we got in. Okay, so we're in. We are ready to do stuff. Please ignore my room. It's a mess. I need to clean it up. My mom yelled at me. I'm going to upload this and clean it up and then upload again. It's going to look much nicer. But, yeah, so that's that. Fidgeting around real quick. It's been a while, guys. I haven't uploaded in 5 days, but we got this. Okay, so, oh, nice. What the heck? Alright, looks like we got disconnected right when I joined too. Where's my Google stuff? Okay. Okay, no new DMs. Let's go to Rolling Mons. And then we can go to like games. I need to check how much time I have left though. Recording. Oh, I got plenty of time. Okay. Let's go here. Let's go to Rolling Mons. Let's go to changes. I lost a ton of money in stocks. I'm very sad. So the recent value has been updated in 3 days. Okay. Everything's pretty much the same, but yeah, a lot of crazy stuff's been happening with the trades and everything. But hopefully we can get back from it. I'm actually trying to play a cool game. Nope, I know I bought this, but I don't really like it. I need a cool action game. I'll move my Yeezy slides up. I'm trying to see if I have my good mouse on me. I don't think I do. I need to get a better mouse. Wait, do I? Oh, yes, I do. I always leave my HP mouse here. That way, when I play Roblox, I can use it. And I'm going to play a cool game, a really good game today. Okay, let's see. Let's play. Let's just search up horror. I want to play a horror game. Kind of bored. Horror Tycoon. I want to try Horror Mansion. Oh, isn't this the same crappy game that I played last time? I kind of want to play Horror Elevator. This one's funny. Alright, so let's get ready to play. In Roblox, of course. Alrighty. Oh, nice. Comment down below if I have 4 pairs of shoes that I can review. I can review the Yeezy slides, the Yeezy butters, Yeezy sesames, and some Supreme shoes. The Supreme shoes are pretty dope. But comment down below what I should review. Should I do the dope Yeezy slides or some other stuff? Let me know. Claim your reward. Okay, so I don't hear any copyright music, so we should be good. Oh, this is the one that I played last time. I don't want to buy any of this stuff. Oh, okay. Alright, looks like we're on the elevator, just taking a little bit of time to load. I might brighten this up after all. Holy crap. This is loud. Whoa. What the heck was that? I'm getting so many ads spammed up on me. Okay, hold on. Oh, nice.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, get out of my way. Jesus, holy crap, that is loud. I didn't even see them. Oh, wow. So scary. Okay. Yeah, no, this game is lame and laggy. Gotta leave that one, boys. Jesus, this thing is so laggy. It's messing up my map. Quit. No, that's probably why it's super laggy right now. Alright, bad game. Gotta dislike this one. Alright, let's look at my recently played stuff, see if we can find anything. Some of my friends are playing Murder Mystery 2. Oh, yo, I was playing this game called Zombie Attack. This game is actually kind of dope. So I'm gonna play this one right now for a little bit. I was playing it for a while, and like it's pretty dope.
Pues ya tiran, Nicolás. Llévate ese plato para allá y tíralo en reciclaje y allá vacíalo en el bote verde.
Pa, estoy haciendo un video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Gracias. I'm bad at editing, so I can't edit that out. Sorry. It's gonna have to be what it's gonna have to be. Alright. Easy. What? 50 levels. Right. See, I have to get spawned in. See, it plays the happy music, but then it plays the scary music. Top 10 level. Whoa. Top 10 cash. Whoa. Yeah, no. I'm good. Just spawn me in. Hi there, buddy. I'm the new pizza man in town. Alright, this is where I get spawned in. First person is so much easier. You can kill zombies much faster. I can kill zombies much faster like this. First person is easier, but it's also like a risk, because like you don't know if zombies are gonna be behind you or in front of you. No, this is much easier. Look at all these noob zombies. Noob zombies. Just me sniping all the noob zombies. Oh. Super speed. Super speed, come at me, boy. Can't catch me. Super speed gonna wreck noobs with the super speed. Where are they? Are there zombies in here? Where are the zombies? Oh, Jesus Christ. It's a Molotov. Holy crap. It's a sand monster and a slime mixed in one. It's a flame zombie. So my face is a little bit too close to the screen. Hey, I need that level up. Invincibility? Hold on a minute. Am I invincible forever? No. Holy crap, where did you even come from? Alright, I'm gonna go head outside because there's probably a lot of action outside. Let's go see what's going on outside. Holy crap, die, zombies. Oh yeah, level up. You're welcome. This is it's such a bigger map compared to like the other ones that I've seen. Okay, I'm gonna take care of this area out here. I'm gonna let them spawn up. Get some to follow me. No! Get away from me! Invincible. Alright, so looks like we take care of the ones outside. Let's go inside now. Enemies left until enemies turn. I want to see